Hello students, I am K. Chandra from SBM CD. I am going to teach the partnership, accounting for the partnership, fundamental. Fundamental, why it is called fundamental? Fundamental means base. Base, whenever base is concrete, base is strong, then everything will be performed strong. That's why we have to study the fundamentals of the partnership. We must follow the rules and regulations of the partnership, those which are provided in the Partnership Act in 1932. Partnership Act follow the different type of rules that have to follow the partnership. That's why I am going to teach the fundamental accounting of the partnership. Or fundamental means a base. Base, whenever base is construct, base means उसका आधार नींव यदि बहुत अच्छा होती है तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होगा कि उसका बिल्डिंग बहुत अच्छा बनेगा. तो आफ्टर कंटिन्यूइंग द फंडामेंटल पार्टनरशिप, देन वी हैव टू नो द व्हाट इज पार्टनरशिप. व्हाट इज पार्टनरशिप मीन्स define the partnership. Definitions of the partnership will be given as the partnership is a relation between the persons agreed to share profits and losses of business carried by all or any one of them acting for the all. That means what? Partnership is a relations. One man cannot make a partner. Definitely, a partnership make a relations between two or more persons. Two or more persons means persons. That is the two or more persons. Person means plural. That is, it shows the two or more persons. Whenever two or more persons join together to form a business, then what will happen? What will be the objectives of the partnership? Then the first of objectives is the earn the profit more and more. Earn the profit more and more and expand the business more and more. That's why the persons are joined together to make a firm, to enlarge the firm. That's why the partnership firm will be formed. In the definitions, whenever we will agree to their definitions, whenever we explain or know the definitions very smoothly, very knownly, that's then the partnership will be expanded. Then the partnership forms relations between the persons. A relations will be created between two or more persons. That's why it has a features. It has a features to know that the two or more persons मतलब हमसे एक से ज़्यादा. Whenever it is clear that the two or more persons, that means what? Definitely the partnership is needed. Two or more persons. Next is according to the definitions, they agreed. Agreed means what? Agreement. They made an agreement between the partners. Made an agreement between the partners means what? The agreement made either orally or written. Okay? Either orally or written, then the agreement made the how the partners will be continued. Then the entire rules and regulations, capital investment, profit sharing ratio, etc. other things are to be maintained in the agreement. That's why the agreement should be made between the partners. Other things, the other is share the profits and losses. Why the partnership firm created? they share the profit more and more. Whenever the partner will decide to share the profit more and more, then definitely they have to invest a lot of capital and they have to work lot of work for the firm. In this way, the partnership will be done for the share the profits, earn the more and more profits. That's why the next point will be the profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio will be that as per their agreement, as per their consent. That means what? Consent means uska ichha. As per their agreement, they share their profits according to their ratio. Either whenever the partnership firm having no agreement, no partnership deed, then the shares will be divided among the partners in equal ratio. Okay? Otherwise, nextly, profit sharing ratio. Then other business. Business means what type of business? Legal or illegal? Illegal business is not valid. Illegal business is not carried on by the partners. That's why the business should be legal. Legal means जो नजरों आई ऑफ लॉफुल के अनुसार, आई ऑफ लॉ के अनुसार वो बहुत लीगल है, वो परफेक्ट है, समाज के लिए है, किसी के लिए हानिकारक नहीं है. दैट इज द लॉफुल बिजनेस और लीगल बिजनेस. दैट मीन्स दोज बिजनेस विच नॉट हैम्पर्ड टू द other firm, other person, other organizations, other society, etc. Nextly, that's why the business should be legal. Legal means the lawful. Nextly, the partnership business will be carried by one or any one of them acting for the all. Partnership business are carried by all or any one of them. Carried by all means what? Carried by all means all of the partners are working in a different way. That is some will purchase the department, some will handle the sales department, some will handle the collecting the goods, some will handle the collecting the prices, cases, and some distribute the goods, etc., etc. And in this way they will work all together for the firms. That is the carried by all. And sometimes it seems that the partnership firm carried by one of them acting for the all. One of them acting for the all means what? Any one of the partners will work for the whole partnership. In this way, the other partner will be treated as the sleeping partners, dormant partners, nominal partners, etc., etc. In this way, one will work for all the partners. That's why it is called the carried by one, acting for the all. सबके लिए काम करता है, इसलिए आ जाता है. इस तरह के पॉइंट भी आते हैं टीचर पे, carried on by all or any one of them. Nextly, registrations. What is the registrations? Registration is not necessary, not compulsory for the partnership firm. But which partnership firm is registered, he can claim from the other institutions. He can claim from the other partners. One partner can claim to the other partners. One firm can claim to the other partners. One firm can claim to the other firms. One other firm can claim to your firms. That's why the partnership firm should be registered, but it is not a compulsory, but it should be registered for a preservement, for a betterment of the partnership. Now it is, thank you student. Okay.